He's blocked the whole pipe.
Look, the Oompa Loompas.
Back off, you little freaks!
What are they doing?
Well, I believe they're going to treat us to a little song. It is quite a special occasion, of course. They haven't had a fresh audience in many a moon.
Augustus Gloop, the great bakery nincompoop. Augustus Gloop, so big and vile, so greedy, foul, and infantile. Come on, we cry, the time is right to send him shooting up the pipe.
But don't dear children be alarmed.
Augustus Gloop will not be harmed. Augustus Gloop will not be harmed.
Of course, we must admit
He will be altered quite a bit.
Slowly wheels go round and round.
And cogs begin to grind and pound. We'll boil it for a minute more, until we're absolutely sure that out he comes by God by grace.
A miracle has taken place. A miracle has taken place. This greedy brute, this mouse is here. It's loved by people everywhere. More who can hate, more bear a grudge against the luscious kid of the fire.
Bravo! Well done. Aren't they delightful? Aren't they charming?
I do say that all seemed rather rehearsed.